Matches OE form, fit, and function. Manufactured with premium-grade materials. Quality construction for durability. Designed to withstand harsh operating conditions. Application-specific to ensure a correct fit for your vehicle. Beck Arnley parts meet foreign nameplate OE specifications for form, fit and function. Our product specialists work with a network of global sourcing partners so you can install the right part with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Larger than factory LR3. Worked great, best price I could find. Used on Land Rover LR3 and the nut was a few larger than what came off, but it fit fine. Just needed a bigger socket.